Hi guys, in this class we will work on this del action icon. Admin can delete any user. For that reason, what I have to do, there is no profile there for this one. I have to create a file, user. So this file should save in this dashboard. So location is okay. Del underscore user dot php. Now in this file, in PHP tag, and first of all make connection of this file to database. Copy connection code, paste here, and then I have to open all user file, and then I want to delete record functionality. So admin will be able to delete any user from that page. Just paste here. So user will move to del underscore user page, and then its variable should go. URL variable I created, variable name is del and its value is user ID. And then open the browser, refresh this one. When I hover this icon, you can see that here del equal to 1, del equal to 2, del equal to 3. When click on any button, so it will redirect to del underscore user.php page, and there is a error. So I will fix that error, and this is error, also this one. When I refresh this one, error is removed. Now what I have to do, I have to access this variable value. So how I can access? So you know that in previous class I discussed this functionality. So I have to use this one. Paste here. If is set get, as this is a get variable, edit, this is not edit, variable name is del, and also I want to check, I want to access del value, and then close this one. When I echo this ID, its value should display here. 1 is displaying here. When its value is 5, 4 is displaying here. Now what I have to do, I did not want display, I want to run a query, delete query. So for example, delete from all users, where underscore ID is equal to this ID, and then this is the del query, this query is stored in del query variable, and then run this query. MySQLi, it take two arguments, you know that one is a connection, another is a del, another is a query variable. And I want to say that if when this query is successfully run, then what we have to do, we have to run a JavaScript code, script, close this one, close this tag, and alert box in which I want right here user is deleted, and also I want to redact a user. For that reason, window.open method is used. Take some argument. One is a which page you want to use. I want to send a user to previous page. Previous page is all users.php page, and same tab means in underscore self. Now what I have to do, just something is issue, trying to access array offset on value. Just refresh this one. Because record is deleted, that is why this error is coming. When I skew this application, such error will not display. For example, when I delete this user, click this icon, user is deleted, and okay, it will redirect to that page, that is a all underscore user.php. Okay, You can see that all underscore user dot php page I moved. Now I can delete all the record, but I did not want to delete all the record. So this is functionality you can achieve, and you can delete any record from this database table, and also from the front end. When I browse, 2 record will be deleted. Only 1 record is displaying here, also here. Now just I have to provide link in the backend of this button. I will provide that link. This is a all user, add user. So just I have to provide a link for this one. User profile. So I want to provide this link, register.php, and this page is present in back folder. So just refresh this one and click on this add user. So admin can add any user. For example, this is username, this is an email, and this is a picture, and this is a date of birth, Pakistan website, any bio, and just register. It moved to login.php page, but it should not be redirect to login.php page. We will work on this one. If this is a admin, then it will redirect to all user page. So we will fix this issue. So it is true that admin can add user. When refresh this one, you can see that new record is displaying here. So in this class we discussed how admin can delete any user and also add new user. So in the next class we will discuss more about this CMS system.